Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, July the 30th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, well, yesterday, July 29th, which was a Sunday yesterday, well, we celebrated the 3rd anniversary of Windows 10. It was launched on July the 29th, 2015, and has had many updates since then, and it has changed quite a lot also since the original version. And today we'll try to take a look into the changes, into the good and the bad that's been happening throughout the 3 years of Windows 10 as we continue, of course, and we'll be continuing Windows 10 with the next update, Redstone 5, coming up this fall. And already we are testing 19H1, which will be coming up in early 2019. So we'll be taking a quick look at all of this. YouTube is now available in dark mode if you are on a Android smartphone. A very interesting new update for that. You know, YouTube has been rolling out dark mode pretty much everywhere, but it was not available yet to some of the apps on Android. Well, now the latest update on Android brings dark mode everywhere. And if you like dark mode, you'll be able to go there. Well, interesting, because it was not really announced, but it seems that a small number of users that are on skip ahead actually have a new option in the start menu that is actually enabling them to hover the mouse pointer over an icon at the start menu, and instead of having just a quick note of what it is, it also offers menu options. I haven't checked my Insider skip ahead yet, but I will be looking at that. And of course, if I have it, I'll be showing it on the Insider channel. Well, it seems that the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is officially coming August the 9th. It will be the latest flagship phone from Samsung. It's stated to be quite fast, bigger than the S9 Plus, and support a huge battery life. So this is going to be interesting to see. Let's just hope that they don't explode. A interesting study is showing that the chips that we use in our portable devices are now reaching a physical limit. And when I say physical, it's really the laws of physics that are now kind of preventing more powerful chips. We're kind of at that limit there. So, of course, in order to continue having small devices and more power, the study says that there really needs to be a lot of research for other types of processors, a new way of building them, because we will be plagued with a kind of a halt in the power of the technology if we don't do so. Phishing scams are everywhere, but if you're an iOS iPhone user, there's a new one that a lot of people have been reporting. So basically, it often goes with the fact that you went to a website that might be malicious. It actually kind of sends you to a fake Apple page. It could also be by email, by the way. And this is a very convincing page. It actually looks exactly like the original. And it will pop up a dialog box that will say, hey, you got to call Apple Care. And you can just click the phone number, and it's going to call a, of course, scammer in India, where basically they're gonna try to lure you into getting some money from you. And of course, the lock or the pop-up will say that your phone is locked for illegal activity. Do not believe it; it's not true. Well, one of the things that that studies of self-driving cars is saying is that after now having self-driving vehicles on the roads for a while, one of the biggest problems, pedestrians. It seems that these are the most problematic things that self-driving cars have to deal with, because pedestrians can just pop up out of the blue. They decide that they want to cross the road, whatever, and these self-driving cars got to deal with that situation. So it seems that this is probably the #1 problem right now. Well, an interesting announcement by Intel that says that they have so much difficulty actually creating the 10 nanometer CPUs, that it just kind of announced that it won't manufacture them really until at least the first quarter of 2019, if not even maybe late 2019. It would seem that Intel CPUs are more difficult apparently to process in such a small size. A interesting application for drones is creating actually big demand, and it's basically using drones for hazardous situation. You know, anything that has to do with chemicals, with anything that could be explosives, anywhere where you know risk human lives to help out. Well, drones are doing the job. So this is nice applications for these little devices. A study that says the investments in artificial intelligence and machine learning will be more than $200 billion by 2023. But the study also points out that most businesses that are actually going to invest are not planning to cut jobs. They're actually planning AI to be part of the job and help humans that are working to basically do a better job. And this was the Tech News Update for Monday, July the 30th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.